Hey everyone, and welcome to Math Tutoring. Welcome to episode 9 of my Help with Maths homework series. Today we will be solving a harder simultaneous equation. Alright, so this question is from my Facebook group. You can check it out here, if I can just show you. Alright, we have x plus 2a minus 1 brackets y equals -1. And then let's write that down. Equations. So the best way to solve these is to use elimination, right? Because we have in the form of x and y on the same side. So what we want to do is get x and the x's to have the same coefficient, or the y's to have the same coefficient. So you can see, because this x here is got a 1 in front of it, it'll be easy to match the x's straight away. So all I need to do is equation 1 times, in brackets, 2a minus 1, because then these coefficients will match. So then that will give me the equation 2a minus 1x plus 2a minus 1 squared y equals negative brackets 2a minus 1, which I'll call equation 3. So notice here that this is 2a minus 1, so if I times it by itself, that becomes a square. So now all I need to do to get rid of the x's now in equation 2 and 3 is subtract them. So I'll do that. 3 minus 2. So that cancels the x's, and then I'm going to have 2a minus 1 all squared, which if I expand it is 4a squared minus 4a plus 1 y minus 4y equals, so it'll be this term here if we expand the brackets, minus 2a plus 1 minus all that. So minus 2a plus 10, right? Because minus 2a plus 5, right? Because if I minus -5, I get plus 5. So all I'm going to do now is collect like terms. So if I subtract the 4y into here, this come up here will become 4a squared minus 4a plus 1 minus 4y equals -4a plus 6. So then if I clean up the inside, this turns into 4a squared minus 4a minus 3y equals -4a plus 6. And what I can do here is I can factorize this to see if there's anything common on each side. Well, what I mean is if we move it over, we get -4a plus 6 over 4a squared minus 4a minus 3. And I want to simplify this top and bottom to see if there's any common factors, so we factorize, which we'll do on the next slide. We get y equals, we can take -2 out the top and we get 2a minus 3 over, now to factorize the 4a squared minus 4a minus 3, it's what time we put the a in each bracket, and then it's what times is to -12 but adds to -4, right? Because it's 4 times -3 to give me this 12, and -4 is in front of the a, and that's obviously going to be -6 and plus 2, and then I just divide by the, what do you call it, the 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a video showing how I factorize this fast. So this is my special technique for factorizing non-monics quickly. So if I do that, get -2 brackets 2a minus 3, and on the bottom this turns into 2a minus 3, and then 2a plus 1, right? Because this simplifies, and then you will notice these cancel. So y equals just -2 on 2a plus 1. So now we need to find x. So we solve it back into the first equation. So x will equal -1 minus 2a minus 1 times y. Right, because let's look back at the other equation. So if we just go back to this first equation here, 2a minus 1 because negative 1, so I just move this to the other side to get x. So then we just solve for x. Come up the top here, I'm going to get x equals negative 1 plus 2 brackets 2a minus 1 over 2a plus 1, and we just cross multiply, put it into one fraction. So that's 2a plus 1 times negative 1. Expand the brackets here, we get 4a minus 2 all over 2a plus 1, and we just simplify with the like terms. So we're going to get 2a minus 3 over 2a plus 1. So that's the value of x, and then this is your value for y. Alright, and that's it. So just a little bit of harder algebra because simultaneous equations were in terms of a. Alright, so if you guys enjoyed this little quick homework help, then make sure to smash that like button, comment below, and share with your friends. And if you want your homework featured here, then join my free group on Facebook, post your questions there, and it can be featured here. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time.